Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to predict values using linear regression in Power BI, a super practical skill if you want to spot trends and visualize forecasts right inside your dashboards. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to calculate and plot your own regression line using real DAX formulas so you can take your Power BI reports to a whole new level. Let's jump in. The data we'll be working with is a simple set of monthly sales. Imagine you're tracking your business performance over the first 6 months of the year. We've got two columns, month and sales. Here, how the numbers look. Month 1, sales are 120. Month 2, sales bump up to 135. By month 3, you're at 150 and the trend keeps moving up, 160, then 170, finally reaching 180 by month 6. This is a classic small sample where predicting the next move can help with decisions like inventory or marketing push. Before we do anything else, a quick note. The actual DAX formulas you'll need for the calculations are listed in the description, so keep them handy. Also, make sure the columns in your Power BI table are named exactly the same as in the formulas, otherwise things won't work as expected. If your table or fields are named differently, just adjust the formulas accordingly. Our goal is to predict sales trends, and to do that we need to fit a straight line to our data, a line of best fit as it's called. The equation for that line is y equals a plus b times x, where a is the intercept and b is the slope. Let's break down how you actually calculate these values in Power BI with DAX. First up, let's get the slope, since that tells us how much sales increase for each additional month. You'll create a new measure for this. What's happening here is the formula is checking, on average, how much sales change as the month ticks over. Think of it like stacking books on a shelf. Each book adds a bit more height. The slope is essentially calculating that per book change. This part might feel a bit math-heavy, but don't worry. Even if you're not a statistics person, once you set up the formula, Power BI handles the calculations from then on. Next, let's get the intercept. This is the value where your regression line would cross the y-axis, or in plain English, what your predicted sales would be at month 0 before you sold even a single item. It might sound odd since month 0 doesn't exist, but it's crucial for defining the baseline of your trend. Again, this is just a measure, you only need to set it up once. With the slope and intercept in hand, time for the magic. Let's predict sales for each month using the regression line. All you do is add a new column, call it something like predicted sales, and plug in the formula. Intercept plus slope times month. Now for each row, Power BI will calculate what sales should have been based on the trend. This is really powerful for comparing your actuals to the prediction, like checking your pace against a running partner. Now let's bring these insights to life. Head over to your visuals and insert a line and clustered column chart. Set the x-axis to month so everything is in the right order. For the columns, map over your actual sales numbers, and for the line, choose your new predicted sales field. You'll instantly see two things: the blue columns showing what really happened and the regression line stretching smoothly across each month, forecasting the overall direction. If your actuals are close to the line, your model fits well. If not, you'll see exactly where you're outperforming or falling behind the trend. And that's it. With these steps, you've not only learned how to create a linear regression model in Power BI, but also how to visualize and interpret it, so you can make smarter, more data-driven decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more Power BI scenarios. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.